Om Nakradunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samapprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir Me Sada साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So last class we saw this dhatus, one special dhatu, the send dhatu, right? For which we had 2 plus 2, 5 forms almost, I think. This is in connection to the dhatu, which are takaranta dhatu, which comes under the sutra. This is the one. Vritta, Vritta, Shadda, the 4 dhatu. Atmanepadi.
Yeah.
But when Sya or San Pratyaya follows, they will be optionally Parasmepadi and Ittakama will not come. So in this, the dhatu is the Send. It will be Parasmepadi optionally. So therefore Ubhayapadi. And Ittakama will not come and it is Parasmepadi. What about Atmanepadi?
Atmanepadi also 2 forms are there.
2 forms will be there.
Atmanepadi. And Parasmepadi?
Only one.
Only one. When it is Parasmepadi, no Ittakama. And Parasmepadi is optional. And it is Atmanepadi. In Atmanepadi, it is not denied. That is why we have 2 forms. Okay.
Yes.
What is that denies in Atmanepadi? The optionality, optionally, it from not denied, right? Therefore, we have 2 forms.
7-44, that sutra is there.
Exactly, yes. Because of the strength of that sutra, therefore, we have 2 forms in Atmanepadi, and in the Parasmepadi, we have only 1 form. It's obvious, right?
Yes.
So 1 form in Parasmepadi and no Ittakama, and it is Ittakama. Ittakama is given optionality for the dhatus given here. And this Send dhatu is one of the dhatu, Udit dhatu. Therefore, it will have 2 forms. The reason is given, it's okay. That is Antaranga and its thing. Ittakama is Antaranga Karya. Okay. Which is Antaranga? Now, Antaranga Bagiranga, here you already talks about. I'm not reading in detail, but I just tell you what it is. Ittakama comes to the dhatu, to the pratyaya, right?
Yes.
Ittakama comes to what? So say for example, if you take the Syan dhatu itself, Syan plus the pratyaya is Sya, and what is that here? Tiyarte, right?
Yeah.
Ittakama comes to the pratyaya. So the Ittakama is Antaranga and Tite. Bagi, it's got to Bagi, it's Bagiranga, Tiyarte, whatever it is there. Agama comes to the here only. So therefore, the sutra 7-44, right?
4. Yes.
Or 7 to the 59 doesn't deny 7 to 44, sorry, 7 to 44 doesn't deny Itagama coming for Parasmepadi. So that's what he has said actually here. You see, the word Chaturbhyaha, just to explain what is Chaturbhyaha, which is mentioned in the Sutra,
Na vrudbhyah chaturbhyah. 7
7
to
to 59.
59.
That is explained. It is used in order that the prohibition contained in Sutra may debar the option mentioned in 7 to 44, right?
Yes.
Which the root Sen would have taken because of his that the letter Sendu Udit Dhatu. For this, option is an Antaranga operation. Itagama is Antaranga. Because it applies to all the Ardhatuka Pratyayas, right? Ardhatuka Sit Valadehi. While the prohibition of the Sutra prohibiting, what is the prohibiting? That is Nachaturbhyaha Parasmepad, that is Bhagiranga, because it applies only to the Pratyayas, which comes, because it applies to Pratyayas only, which applies to Pratyayas only, which begin with Sakara. Sorry, see, which begins with Sakara. So the prohibition of this sutra, that is na Nudhyaha Chaturbhyaha, that is applied only for, that is the Sakara, the Ardhatuka Pratyaya. The prohibition of the sutra would not have debarred the option 7 to 44, and in the Prasmepadi Sindhu would have two forms. Because na Chaturbhyaha by that sutra, Prasmepadi would have two forms, but however it is not the case. Why? Because the Chaturbhyaha, its prohibition is extended to Sindhu also. Anyway, this is it's clear. Unnecessarily, it's a complicated language. But therefore, in Parasmapadam, we will have only one form. In Atmanepadam, we will have two forms. That is the Ardhatuka. In other words, you can understand like this. When it is a Parasmapadi, when it takes Parasmapadi, Itagama is negated. When it is Atmanepadi, we cannot take Itagama is negated. There is option. The previous one, what does prevent the 7 to 44 apply? Not applying. It can come or need not come. Nothing prevents that, because this being an Antaranga Karya. This is Antaranga, therefore Itagama is not negated. Whereas 7 to 59 negates Itagama with regard to Tipratya. The Antaranga is Itagama which comes here is negated when a Parasmapadi Pratyaya follows. So therefore, only when Parasmapadi Pratyaya follows, Itagama is negated. What about Atmanepadi? So 7 to 44 is not negated by 7 to 59. So the language of Vasu is maybe looks difficult, but this is what it means. 7 to 59 cannot restrict 7 to 44 not applying. Therefore, 7 to 59 restricts only with regard to Parasmaipada, not to Atmanipada. So, therefore, the Parasmaipada, the Atmanipada, we have two forms. Simple. You can understand like that. Okay. If you see Vasu is more complex. It's a complicated language. English is difficult to understand. Anyway, this is simple. You can understand like that. Whatever I have written here, I think that is enough. The Vasu is not required. I will remove that. Or if you want for reference, let it be there also. In total, we have three forms. One form in Parasmipada. Parasmipada form, we cannot have two forms. Because in Parasmipada, Itagama is already negated by the Sutra, 7 to 59. But 7 to 44, there Itagama is optional. And the Dhatu is, there it has to be Atmanepadi. So Atmanepadi, we have two forms. Why it is Ubeyapadi? Why is it Ubeyapadi means what? Why it is Ubeyapadi? Because the Sutra, na Chaturbhyaha, the Sutra says these four dhatus, though they are Atmanepadi only, they are not Ubeyapadi. But by this Sutra, Syasanoho by that Sutra, Vruddhyaha Syasanoho by that Sutra, when Sya San Pratyaya follows, they will be optionally Parasmepadi. So this is 1392 under 13 section. Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam, under that comes by the Sutra, there is optionality given. When the optionality is there, then Itagama will not come. The Dhatu is Atmanepadi. So in Atmanepadi, the optional Ittam by 7 to 44 is not negated by any other sutra. In 7 to 59, there is an optional Parasmaipadi. Therefore, here in Parasmaipadi comes. And there is a rule, na, iti. Itagama will not come. Itagama will not come here. So this is to restrict. And Atmanepadi, two forms come in Parasmaipadi should not come. Therefore, Itagama will not come. Only one form is there. So therefore, the sutra itself is clear. So even if you don't understand also, it's okay. Leave it. So it doesn't matter. So total 3 forms.
And the dhatu is weight, no, Sharanji. That's why.
Dhatu is Atmanepadi. Why we call weight? Because of 1392, we call it as weight. Okay.
Dhatu by itself, it's weight only, no? So you'll get two forms anyway. You will have Parasmaipadi and, I mean, it and Itagama.
Please see, the Vridd and Syand. This is Dhatu Syand. Though Atmanepadi. Okay. Where is weight?
No, you have given before, no, Ji.
Where?
That Dhatu.
Dhatu is weight.
Weight, no?
Where it is given? Dhatu is Atmanepadi Dhatu, right?
Not under Sutra. When we are discussing the send, if you take it, you are given
send only I'm doing. No. The weight is because of this 132. What is the condition to be a weight? Atmanepadi. Oh, sorry, we're talking about weight. Yeah, please tell me. Yeah.
So since it's weight, anyway, you will have both the cases.
Forms.
2 forms, no?
Anyway, you will have.
Anyway, you will
have. Therefore, Atmanepadi will have 2 forms, no problem. Yes, that's what you're saying. Yes, And in Parasmaipadi, that is one form is negated. That is
negated.
Itagama is negated for Parasmaipadi. Therefore, 3 forms. So logically, it is clear.
Correct.
Yeah. Yes.
Now small doubt. In the Parasmaipadile, Anit Paksha will be there. So actually, Anit means Angakarya should be there, but it is negated by why? What is the reason? Due to Antyavarna is Hal and previous Upada also. That is Upada is also Hal. Adanala this
Angakarya not possible.
Inga it's not possible.
Why actually it is not ecojal and also Halam Tacha. Both are not applied means. So this is the reason.
Not only. That is not the only Angakarya. Any other Angakarya you see. No Angakarya possible. Suppose if it is Ajanta Dhatu, then Dirghatam happens by Ajjana Kamamsani. So no Angakarya happens.
But here particularly, you are told that Antya Varna is Hal and also Upada is also Hal. Adanala Angakarya negated here.
Adukku nimittame illa to undergo Angakarya.
That is. See, your Angakarya means you are thinking that only Guna Angakarya only you are thinking. It is not the only one, right?
Okay.
What is Angakarya means you always think that 7384, 7386. Sarvadhataka, Adadhataka Yoga, Pugantalugu Padasya. They are not only Angakarya. Okay. Angakarya means that Karya which are mentioned is 641 up to 74. All Angakarya only. Even Abhyasa also comes in Angakarya. But anyway, Abhyasa we are going to do it. That's a different thing. Any other change happened to the Anga because of the Pratyaya. That is Angakarya. No change happens. And the main change what we do it, if the Pratyaya is not a Kit or Git, then if it is Ardhatukam or Sarvadhatukam, then Iganta will take Guna and the penalty weight will take Arasvaik will take. That is the Siddha Angakarya, which often we do, particularly when we deal with Dhatu. And if it is Ajanta Dhatu, when followed by Jaladishan, Dirghatam happens. That is one Angakarya. That also we have used for Ajanta Dhatus. Other than that, any other Angakarya may not in this case. Some other case it may come. We don't know. If it is applicable, then apply it. Right?
Yes.
So therefore, no Angakarya. Any change possible because of the Pratyaya. That is Angakarya. Samprasanam suppose happens, right? Suppose this is something is Kittam's given some. That is also Angakarya. There is one sutra also, I think. Samprasaranam. Halaha 642. Halaha one sutram is there. What is 642? 641 is Angasya. 642 is alaha. Alaha is angasya alaha. Samprasaranasya, samprasaranam happens. That is also angakarya. Okay, samprasaranam happening because of
pratyaya to anga.
To the anga. So if you take for example, I'm just saying this is not connected to us, but any change, any angakarya which are mentioned in the range 642, we have seen this some other contexts. This alaha, samprasarana say coming as anuvritti from the previous section. From year 641, angasya ante vidyamanaha samprasarana sanyakaha. Right? Tasmineve ange alvarnad pravidyate tasya varnasya dirgha desha bhavati. Dirgha, this comes under dirgha. What is dirgha here? From where the dirgha term comes? Ralope purvasya dirgha naha, remember?
Yes.
311. In fact, that is goes anurti up to sarvanavastha, it is asambuddha, up to that dirghattam happens. Like upadanakara become dirgha, raja, and all the dirgha section.
Okay.
So he says here, angasyante vidyamanaha samprasarana sanyakaha varnaha. So samprasaranasya tasminangi alvarnad paraha, that if it follows after a hal, then what will happen? Tasya dirgha deshavati. Yata udaranam. This is an example. Ve, hakara plus vakara plus ve. Now this becomes kwa is by the different sutra, adesha upadesha shiti. Now, kwa plus ta, then here, tab pratyaya. Tab pratyaya is a kit pratyaya. Of course, kwa is a samprasarana dhatu, vakara becoming ukara, then samprasarana cha will apply. This is by another sutra, 6.115, which is Supi Yajadinam Kiti. This is under the Yajadigana. Therefore, samprasarana happens here. Now you get this form. Hakara plus U plus ta. Uta only you will get. But how do you get Uta? Now, this is the Anga. Anga ending with the Sampra. This is Samprasaranam. U is Samprasaranam because it has come in the place of Vakara. And when it is preceded by a Halaha, Halaha is Panchami. Halaha Parasya Samprasaranasya Kimbhavati Dirgatvam Bhavati Utaha. This is all Angakarya only. So it's something like that in our case it happens. That is Angakarya. Okay. So Angakarya means not only 7384, 7386. Just an example, I take this. Okay. Fine. Now, the next one we will do. Next dhatu is, so we have taken this, all this. Let me check previously what we have done. Shriddha, Vriddha, all those dhatus. Nirta dhatu. Okay. Nirta dhatu also we did. Okay, that is Nirta dhatu, Syanda dhatu. Nirta dhatu, two forms will be there. We're done. Now let us take Dakara Adi dhatu. In Tavarga, Dakara. Dakara Adi dhatu. So let me take one dhatu, which is Dakara Adi Anit dhatu. Okay. I have to copy from here. Already we did. Okay. We do. Dakara Adi. Dakaradi Anit Dhataha. Okay. Previous also Dakaradi. Send also Dakaradi. Right? So, but they are weight. But now we are doing Anit. Dakaradi Anit Dhata. Some dhatus we can take and do it. So for that, I just copy this one. Let us take the dhatu. Dhatu, what's the number? This is 27. Now 28. This also we can verbally we can do. Chid dhatu. What is Aupadeshika Rupam? Chid. Chidir. Right? Savantakana. Chindati. Nainam chindanti. Shastrani. So, Chidir dhatu. So, its meaning is Dvaidi Karane. The famous dhatu. Divided into two. Udhadina dhatu. Udhadihi. And it is Ubepadi dhatu. Ubepadi. It is Anit. We are doing Anit. Now, this is Anit or wait or set. How do we know? Please check the.
It's Anit only, the summary. It's
Given.
given the Dakaranta Dhatus.
Yes. So in Dakaranta dhatu, the list is given. Okay, here all the dhatus are that we can take. We'll come
Yeah,
to
add this there, add the Shrad.
Yeah,
Add
I
Shrad.
take Chid. That also we can do. Chid, anyway, let us take Chid. That also we can take after this. Shuddha Kid. Now, Chid dhatu. Vedic Karane. Only one Paksha. Anit Paksha. Chid plus Sun. Anit Pakshe. Aniti. Jaladi Sun.
Yeah.
Angakarya.
Angakarya and then
Angakarya first.
By Angakarya negated by Alantacha, right? Number 1 to 10.
10, 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Angakarya negated. Any other Angakarya you have to check. It is not no other Angakarya. Therefore, we can do the duplication. Chids. Then Chid. Aladishesha. Aladishesha number is
60.
60.
60. So, Aladishesha, therefore, Chi and Chid. Chid. Okay, then after that, Chi, E already is there, okay. Then we can apply Abhyasa Charcha.
Yes, it is.
Or before that, Karicha is there. We can do Karicha. Karicha applying that Chichits. This is 8, 4,
8, 4,
3, 5.
55.
Abhyasa Charcha before. I think before this.
Yes, yeah, I think that will come before.
Before. So therefore 8, 4, 54 it's Abhyasa Charcha. Therefore Chi will become Chi.
Upaprana.
Upaprana.
Chi,
Therefore here Chi Chits. But here if you remember Chi, here itself we have to do it. That Checha by the Sutra, when Chakara follows. Already we have done this before somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere we have done.
After Aladi Shesha, you can apply that. Tukkagama will come. So Tukkagama by the Sutra Checha. What is the number? 61?
6173.
73.
Yes.
Correct.
That will apply. 6173. And Tukkagama, then Takara, followed by Chakara. So that also will, Takara, what will undergo? It will undergo Shutvam.
Shutva Sadna, yeah.
So here we can.
Stoho Shuna.
The Pachich, here we can do. Number is 84. 40. So goes to Nas to 41.
8440.
44.
Yeah.
No chich, chits. So chichitsa. Chichits. That is the rupam. Chichitsati. Chichitsati. Dhatu is chid. So chid plus tum, chetum. Che will become che. And this karicha, chet. Chetum vichati. Takatu takara will be there. It will not go. Chetum ichati. Chitsati. Similarly, other dhatus in the list, without this, we can do it quickly. We don't I mean, all are neat, right? So it's become simple. Let us take the next one in the list, as we have done before in 3 lines. Not all the steps, like here, Anit Paksha. Similarly, you can do in one Paksha, only Anit Paksha. So you can tell the forms directly. So this is 29. So please see the category. Other dhatu we will do at the end because it is Ajadi dhatu. We can do now also, it's not a problem. At the end, Shuddha will become. Let us take Shuddha dhatu.
Okay.
All the dhatus we will take. I will write only final form. Dhatu is Shuddha. Aupadeshika Rupam.
Kshudir.
That is also Rudadika.
Ubhayapadi.
Shuddha. Shuddha. Sampeshani. Shuddha. Ubhayapadi. Anit dhatu. Its form would be. What will be the form? And Shuddha to become Ksho. Shodhi. It's Anit, sorry. Shodha. Shotum. That's the form. Shotum. Shuddha becomes Ksho. I think so. So Kshotum, Kradante. Shotum. Shotum Ichati. What would be the form? Takara. And interesting it is Takara followed by Shakara. Takara followed by Shakara. So what will be the Sananta Rupam? We do the duplication. So here we can see Shakara, then Shakara. Yeah. Just thinking Sharparaha Kayaha, that will not apply here. So Shuddha. Shuddha. Then Shuddha. So Aladisheshaha. Aladisheshaha, what will remain? All this will drop. And here Kakara is there. Kakara Shakara, Ku will be there, right?
Yes,
Ku. Then Ku goes to Ku. By that will become Chu.
Yeah.
And this will become Takara by Karicha.
Karicha.
And Chu. Will Chu undergo any change? No. It is who, it's fine. Then Chu. Chu. Chuts.
Sati.
Sati. For a simple Ubhayapadi it is. Arte. Simple. I'm just thinking whether Shar Paraha Kaya will apply, but it is Shar. Shar follows the Kai. Under Kai, what are the letters come? What are the letters? Shar Paraha. Shar Purva, not Paraha. Shar always follow. The letter before is Shar letter. Purvaha. Then that will remain. But here it is, Takara is not a Shar letter. Takara like Shakara. So the Shar Purva Kayaha will not apply. So if the letters are Shar letter, then followed by Kai letter, then the Shar letter will remain. Other letter will drop. No, Kai letter will drop, remain. Other letter will drop. Shar Purvaha Kayaha. Then Aladi Sheshaha, for that it's an exception. Adiyal will remain, but here the Kai letter will remain. Anyway, but here it is not the case. The next one, next dhatu, the list is Kid dhatu. Let's see the list.
Kid.
From this dhatu only we have the forms like Kidna. Kidna is Kidyat. Which Gana is that? I see. We have come across this many place. Kidyati. Right? Kidyati or Kidyate, whatever it is. Kidyati. Kidyate. Kidna, the word comes from this dhatu. Kid plus Nishta Pratyaya. So tired. Kid. Right? Or to be
Sad.
Disappointed. Yes, sad. Okay. So that is the meaning. Kida. Dhani. which is kidyate, therefore it is fourth gana, divadi.
Fourth gana.
And atmanepadi. Anit dhatu, of course we are doing anit. So here it will be, kid will become ke, ketum, ketum ichchati. What will be the form? Ki will become?
It will become ki. First it will be kiket, then then it will be abhyasa is such. So it will become first ka, then kuhoschuhu, then chikitsati.
Chikitsati. Atmanepadi, upepadi. Atmanepadi it is.
Oh, chikitsate.
Chikitsate. Right. So kyetum ichchati, chikitsate. Next one. The list, next one is, should we did? Tuddhatu. Tudadigana. Dhatu is tudd. Tudadigana, very first dhatu. So dhatu itself is tuda. Yatane, to strike. Tudati. Parasmepadi dhatu. Anit dhatu. Tud will become 2 plus tum.
Totum.
Totum. Ichchati iti. The form would be?
Then Karicha will come. Tuditsati. Tuditsati.
Ubepadi.
Tututsati.
It has given Ubhayapadi.
Yeah, Ubepadi.
Oh.
So the form would be now?
Tututsati or Tututsate.
Yeah.
So tu, then tututsate.
Tututsati or Tututsate.
Okay. Sananda, fine. Tututsati, tututsate. Simple one.
But in this, okay, it's anit.
Anit. There's no faksha here. Only one. The next one. Nuddhatu. Apanudati and all comes from this nuddhatu. Nud means to remove. Nuddhu. Right? Nuddhu. Apanudati means to remove. Okay, with apa upasarga. But here it is prerane. This is Nuddha. Nattam. No naha will apply. Prerane. Which belongs to Tudadigana.
Tudadigana.
And Ubepadi. Anit. So Nuddha will become no.
No tumechati.
Notam ichchati. Therefore the form would be no will be no. Nunutsate, right?
Nunutsati.
Nunutsate or nunutsati. Next one. The list, next one. Paddhatu. Padyate, gamyate iti padam say, right? Pa. Which gana is that? By seeing that you can say padyate, gamyate, divadigana. Shen comes, right? So pada, gatau, moment. So padyate, Shen pratyaya, therefore it is divadi, and it is atmanepadi dhatu only. Anit. So form would be pattum. Pattum ichchati. Iti. Form would be what would be the form? Padda. Pa will become
P, it becomes Sanyataka.
Then Pa will become
Then P. Pipat, then Karicha. So it will be Pipatsate. Pipatsate or Pipatsate.
No, Pipatsat. Only one
Only
Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi.
Oh, I'm sorry. Pipatsate. No, Pits.
But there is one. But this is so this is one dhatu which is there in where? Abhyasasya lopaha. So therefore Abhyasa will become can see this dhatu is very well done. I remember we saw this.
Yeah, there's some
Dhatu
this and something we saw.
Padadhatu is there. Ucho karmanova. You can see here. Padam. So by this sutra, where is the sutra? Here. Sani vima gu raba laba shakapata padam. The padam is the padam. Achakastani is adesha bhavati. Abhyasa se lopaha. So for abhyasa lopa happens, then what? You will not get P. Now you get P. See, the form is, it is pa and pad. The pad of course become pid. This is abhyasa. When abhyasa lopa happens, how we get P? P happens by this sutra only. And san pratyaya, this is angakarya. This is angakarya. Pad akarasya, the vowel will be replaced by is. Therefore, you will have fits. Then what will happen? Then another sutra. Then sakara. Sasya.
Oh, that one. No.
Sasya sarvada ardhadatuke. When sutra we saw. Then saka sasya. That saka sya ardhadatuke. 7449. Then sakara. This sakara will be replaced by when what this will be replaced by takara. Fits. Remember the sutra 7454 when sanpratyaya with 754 and 749 this is
49 sahasyardha dhatu.
Saha takara will be replaced by takara. Takara. So therefore you will have takara coming there. Finally karicha. Okay, karicha will apply later. But after that, what will happen here? Okay, let me do this. But abhyasa lopa happens. Then P comes, and here it was dakara. Then sakara. A is replaced by is by the sutra by 7454 sani nima gu raba, that sutra padam is. Then after that, what will happen? Here it is a pratyaya, san pratyaya, then T. Now we have sakara is tangent consonant followed by jal. Therefore, spoko sanyoga devavantecha by that. Sakara se lopa bhavati, then pid. Then karicha will apply pitta. Therefore you get pitsati. You want to do it, the whole thing?
Yes.
We will have
Already we did.
I think we did for pat. I think pat we got the same thing. Patitu michati, pitsati, only we got it.
Paddatu. Where is paddatu? Which number?
Pat to fall.
Yeah, what number? So I can copy paste.
18, no? 18, I think. I don't know which.
I'll copy paste the same thing. Yeah, here it is.
There it was patitum michati here.
Same form, right? So depending on the context, we are to know what it is. Pad plus. Here it is pad. So sakara. Sakara, takara, sakara. Yes, sakara, takara. Sakara, takara. Let's go sayam kadya pit pitsa. You can see now. It is on it, therefore pat.
Pattum michati.
Right?
Yeah.
By 7454, what happens is let's say angakarya. Aniti angakarya first. Then abhyasa we can do. Abhyasa, when we do abhyasa say lopa, anyway it's going to happen.
Yeah.
Let's go sanyoga devavantecha. Yeah, that is 8 to 29. Then you get pitsati. Okay.
It's Atmanepadi.
So yeah, of course, Atmanepadi. Pitsati. Next one, 32, 33, 34. Next one is the list. Bid. That is also Vedaha Bid. From the Dhadika. their dot. Rutadigana, therefore bindi, chindi. It all comes in mantra. Bindi, chindi. Split. Rutadigana, parasmaipadi. Rutadigana, sorry.
Ubhayapadi.
It is bid is there.
Rudadigan.
It is Rudadigan. The bid dhatu, it is there in Rudadi. In Bidi dhatu is there in Rudadikana. There it is bindati, that Numakama will come. Anyway, here we are taking Rudadikana. Okay, therefore, Vidarane. To tad. Rudadi, Ubhayapadi. Rudadiki, it is Ubhayapadi and it that. So Ubhayapadi keep there only. So bid will become Betum. Betum, to cut. Chati. So here what will happen? Of course, and the Karicha finally will happen. Sati. Let us keep that. Then B will become B. Abhyasa Charcha.
Yeah. So Bibit Sati.
Bits. So the form would be Bibit Sati.
Bibit Sati.
Yes, Bibit Sati.
Bibit Sati. Bibit Sati.
Bibit Sati and Bibit
Or
Sati.
Bibit Sati. It's Ubhayapati. Yeah.
Ubhayapadi. The desire would be Bibitsu. Bibitsuhu.
Icha.
Then with the dhatu. With the dhatu in many ganas, you can take same Rudadi itself. In all the gana it is, except the first gana, all the gana it is anit only. So we can take Vida Vicharane as the Rudadi Aganadhatu, which is Atmanepadi. Atmanepadi Dhatu and it. So Vid will become Vetum Ichati iti. V, then
Vivit Sati.
the form would be
Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi. So Vivit Sati.
Vitsati. So in the it is there with we know Vidyadhatu in many ganas. One first gana also it is there, and Vidyate in the fourth gana, and the Tudadi gana also Vindati, Vindataha, Vindanti, Vidilalabe, and Churadi gana as well as the Tudadi gana. Now in 4, 6, and 7 it. In first gana it is Vidyajnani, Veti, Vittaha. Sorry, the second gana it is Set, Veti, Vittaha. So if it is a set, then what is the form? Veditum Icha, Vividisha, Sannyasa, and we say. Okay, anyway, there it is it. Therefore, it will not come here. Maybe I will write here. Vetum Ichati. I will write as a note. But I will write a form now. They are also with the here. With the, then Ittagama, Isati, this become Ishati, right? Ittagama, Seti, what will do first? Seti
is
Angakarya. Angakarya we can do now. B. Yeah, Seti.
Seti, Dvitvam first.
Dvitvam first and Angakarya.
Dvitvam already done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vividha.
So Vivid will become Ved.
Yeah, then Angakarya is Vivid plus Ishati. Ishati. Vivid plus Ishati, am I right? Vivid plus Ishati. Yeah, Vivid plus Ishati. Then I think yeah, Vivid Ishati, Shattam, Nakara. Then Isha. Shattam happens, yeah. Then this Ishati.
Guna happens.
Guna should happen,
Yeah.
but
Vived.
there must be a sutra in 1-2 section which negates when the seti follows. This is 1-2 section. Kittam is maybe extended, therefore Tanscha, seti, where it is, Adhikara. Then Uttu Padat, Upada Bhavadikama, that is not one. So here
by Pugantala Gupadasya cha, why that guna happens, no? There.
Guna happens, you will have Anishta Rupa. But we know the form is Veditumicha, Vividisha, Vividisha Sannyasa, we say, right? So
but
therefore,
Viveda Shati is given.
where?
Ashtadhyayi.com.
No.
Oh, with state he is given like that. Oh,
No, only one form is there. We are doing Adadika now. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Not given at all. See, here it is given. The sutra, we have seen the sutra before. Somewhere it is there. Where is that? One minute. Here it is, sir. Okay, sorry. 1 to 8. Ruda Vida Mushagragi Swapi Prachaha Sanscha. By that, for this dhatu, here the Vida dhatu belongs to Adadigana. It is given in the sutra itself. You can check the sutra. This is 1 to 8. So Sanscha will be deemed to be what? Kit. Therefore, Angakarya is negated. 1 to 8. You have seen in some other contexts. Ruda Vida Mushagragi. So Kashika, if you see, Vida, here it is there. So it will be deemed to be Kit. Kitva, Kit Bhavati. Sun coming as a sun is a Sansha, and Twa also. Twa is already Kit. Yebhyaha Sun, Twacha Kitostaha. Therefore, no Angakarya. It is Kit. Okay, Angakarya will happen. Nityam Kitvam Bhavati. By this sutra. So therefore, Ruda Vida iti Nityam. It is Kitva. Kittam Bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
So therefore, Vividishati. But Sutra 1 to 26, that is also interesting. See, Raloho Vi Upadat Aladehe Sanscha Ralaha Ral Prataya. The Sutra also we saw. Here also Vi Upade Yasya Vi is Upada. Okay. Ukara Upadat Ikara Upadat Cha Dhatoho Ralantat Ral Antat Aladehe Varancha. So Alanta Thalade. We have David. Anyway, it's okay, not required. So that's a sutra 1 to 8. By that, it is Kit. Therefore, no
Angakarya.
Angakarya. Therefore, the form would be Vividishati. Vividishate or Vividishati. Rudadigana it is. So it is Parasmepadi, Atmanapadi, Parasmepadi. Therefore, it is So sorry, that is correct only. Kamitam, Kshamita Kamitam. I have
That
to-
is, yeah.
This is the
Yeah.
other case.
Yeah, yeah,
Adadi
this is-
Gana.
That is
Adadi
Adadi Gana.
Yes, Kamitam. So Vidishati iti. I will write here. Note the form for the form of Sananta Rupam, the Sananta Rupam, Sananta form of
Adadi Ganana.
Sananta Rupam of Adadi Vid. Adadi Vid Dhatu, which is said. Which is a said Dhatu. Would be this. And here, these are the application of Sutra. What Sutra is applied? Sutram is applied. The Sutram, write the Sutra, so that you know that Sutra is applied. Otherwise, you will scratch about it. The Ruda Vida Mushagrigi, that Sutra is applied. Here by the Sutram. Here by the Sutra number is 1, 2, 8, right? 1, 2, 8. Kitvam is extended to sun and thereby negating Angakari. Okay. Angakari means what I mean is it is that Paganta Lagu Padasya 7396, right? Sabadatka Adatika Yoga, Paganta Lagu Padasya, that is what I mean. 73, no, sorry, Samita. Paganta Lagu Padasya is 73, 86, 84, 86, right? Okay. Then, I think this much is enough, okay? Can follow. Then the next one is Vindadhatu. Vindadhatu, which is in the Vindate, that is in the sixth Gana. Vidal Rabe, that is a Dhatu. So Dhatu is with only. Vidal Rabe. How you get Num? Vindati, Vindataha, Vindanti.
Vidito Numa Dhatu.
It is not Edit Dhatu, right? It's Vidal.
With
It is Vidal. Sudadigana. Num, where it will come. You have to check the Num section. So there you will see. Vidal. You please check. Well, I will type this, which is in Sudadigana, and it is a Parasmam Paridhatu on it. Parasmam Ubepadi. Ubepadi.
Ubepadi. Sudadigana.
Yeah. So now, how does it get Num? Num means you have to check this section, Idito Num Dhato 7158. There you will see Dhatu getting Nukagama, Numakama when followed by Prataya, Shit Prataya. I think so. Let us see. Six, 4, 7, 1. She Muchadina. This is in the which Gana? This is the Tudadigana. Tudadigana only we love She. What is She? She is the Ganavikana Pratyaya. The She, Sha, which is the Ganavikana of this Gana, the Tudadigana, when followed by She Muchadina, Muchadi Antargana Dhatu, the Vididhat is one of the Dhatu, so therefore it will get Numagava. Okay. She Muchadina. That is why you have the form Vind. Only for Sarvadhatuka you will have Vindati, Vindataha, not for Ardhatuka. Here we are doing Sarvadhatukam or Ardhatukam.
Ardhatukam.
Ananta is
Ardhatukam.
Therefore, you will not have
Oh, no, okay.
Vindati, Vindataha, Vindanti, Sarvadhatuka, Pratyay. But here it doesn't. Therefore, with only. So if it is with, it will be same as this only.
Yeah, it will be same.
Vivitsati.
Vivitsati.
Ubepadiya, it's Ubepadiya. So Vivitsati or Vivitsati, whatever it is. Like, same. So if it is Sarvadhatuka, then Vindati. But here it is not. Simple. So, it is done. Next one, 37. What is the next dhatu? Shadda. You remember Shadda? Shadda and Shadda also what will happen? Shaddale dhatu. Shidati. This will become Shad. The Shadda long sutra is the Pa, Gra, Ma, Sma. So there we have this Shadda dhatu. We have that Shadda dhatu as well as Shaddale dhatu. So this is Shaddale dhatu. Shaddale dhatu Shathane. Okay. It is Shathane. From the Shaddale dhatu we get the word Upanishad. From this dhatu we get the form Shi. This also will be replaced by Shiya. No? Shad will be replaced by that long sutra, Pa, Gra, Sma, Iti, by that sutra. So this will be replaced by, Shad will be replaced by Shiya. Therefore, Shiyate iti rupam. Shaddale, whereas Shaddale will be replaced by Sid. Therefore, Sidati, Sidataha, Sidanti. Sidanti Mamagatrani.
Sidanti.
That is Shaddale. But this is Shaddale. Tala Vishakara. Difference is there. So this is becomes Shia. So Shatane, to perish, the same meaning. It is in what Gana? First Gana, Vadi Gana. Vadi Gana, and it is Parasvipadi and it. This is there in other Gana also, Tudariya also. Tudariya also, you will have the same form only, Shiyate. When followed by Shit Pratyaya, this Rupa Parivartana happens. Shad becomes Shiya. Fine. But here we are not doing Shit Pratyaya doesn't follow, not Sarvadhatuka. We are doing Ardha Sananta. It's Ardhatukam. Therefore, the Shadda will not become Shia. Shad will become Shia when followed by Shit Pratyaya. Here it is Sananta. So where is Shit? So it will not happen. So here what will happen? Shad plus Tum. Shattum. Ichati iti. This Sha will become She. Sishi. Right? Then Abhyase Charcha. Abhyase Charcha. Char includes Shakara also. Therefore, She only. Then Shishi. Shisha. This is Sha becomes She. Sanyataha. Then Shisha. Shishat Sati. That's a function. It's Parasvipadi. Shishat Sati. Okay. The form is Shishat Sati. The next one is Sadr. It's given in the list. You can see the next one. That is Shad. Originally it is Shadle Dhatu. Right here, Sadr. Originally it is Shadle. So this is only the word Upanishad and all comes Shadle. So here we have what is the meaning, the famous meaning. What is the famous meaning? Shadle Visharana Avasadana Gati Avasadana.
Gati, Visharana Gati.
Visharana Gati Avasadana. That is the Dhatu. Visharana Gati Avasadana. Sad become see there. Visharana Gati Avasadane. Nishu. This meaning. Vardhigana Parasmapadi Hanit Dhatu. So this year it will become Sad plus Tum will become Sattum.
Sattum.
It's a form is correct or not Sattum? Yeah, must be here. Now other thing happens. Sattum Ichhatiti. Sa will become Si. And here it is Sa. Therefore the form would be it is Si, then Sat, Sat Sati, any other. Yeah. And of course the Sakara is Previously it was Shaddala, Shattam. So therefore the Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara. Sorry, Adesha Sakara. Sakara which is come in the place of Murdani Sakara, right? Therefore Adesha Sakara, preceded by E. Therefore we can do Shattam.
In Koho. And that.
See, Shatsati. And this Sakara will remain as it is, because not preceded by E or P. So form is C. Sishat Sati. Sishat Sataha. Sishat Santi. Next one. Swid. Svedana. Swid. 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 It is Upadeshika Dhatu is Nishvada. Nishvida. Adi Nitu Davahangi is Ithilata. Na is also Ithilata. Then Shatam Satam happens. Therefore Swid. And this Ni has got some purpose, okay. That is a Nitaha on Sutram is that. Niddhatu. Niddhatu undergo something will take in Tapratya in this sense. The Ni has got some meaning. Okay. That's a Ni is given. And that is the letter. Adiki Gitu Davaha, Vishwada. Snehana Mochana Yoho. So, Snehana Mochana Yoho.
Gatra Prasramani.
Gatra
Prasramani.
Okay. Then which the Chagana, Vadigana. Then take Vadigana.
Atmane Padi.
Alright. So Swid. Therefore, what will be the form? Swid. Swid plus Shat plus Te. Svedate, Svedate, Svedante. Right, Svedate, Svedate. And if it is there in Vadigana itself is there as Parasmepadi, Abhyakte Shabde. Svedati, Svedata, Svedanti. There it is said. Whereas and the Sviddhatu which is there, we are doing Anit, can take as the Jivadigana, Gatra Prakha. Maybe we can do this later. First let us do. We are doing Anit. So therefore, we can take the Dhatu to be of the Jivadigana. Gatra Praksharane. Jivadi and it is Parasmepadi and it. Let's see the form. Swid plus Tum. That is Svetum. Svetum Ichati iti. So here Swid. We see Sri Swid Aladi Sheshaha. So Sakara will remain. Kara and Takara will drop. So you will have C. And we have Swid. Followed by Sa. It is Anit. Therefore, cannot do Ala Ecogel negates Angakarya. Therefore, what would be the form? Swid.
Sishvitsati.
I think this is the form. Swid.
Sakara will become Shakara.
Of course, yeah, this Sakara is there. No. Yes, it will become because it is Adesha Sakara. Sakara preceded by E. Yes.
In Koho.
In Koho Adesha Pratyaya. Therefore, Shvi. So taking this dhatu to be the Jivadigana dhatu. Is the form correct?
Yes, Jay. Sishvitsati.
Oh, Shattam doesn't happen there. And this is dhatu. I am dhatu. Siddhanta Kamadhyam Navadyate Parantu Dhatu Pate. Atitaha asti. And it is one minute, let us check this. We are doing Swidh. Everything is talked about Swidh. Because we have two forms with the guna happening and guna not happening. With the guna happening means that Kittam is not there. Therefore, it must be Sutra must be there in the 1-2 section. Or some optionality is given. Therefore, guna happens. Please see 1-2 section. Sansya, Sanivritti, Ikoja, Alantacha, and it is Nishta Pratyaya Pare. Svidh Dhatu is na said Bhavati. That is okay, Svidhi. Nishta Shing Svidhi Vidhi Kshvidhi Drushaha. But we are doing Sananta. Check. Adadatu Kasit Balade. For sun, this is given as a said. How it is given the said, that's in the website. Let me check. Shvida Smidha Dhatu, which is which Gana we are doing Divadigana.
Divadigana. Anit only has given Ji.
But the form is it with Itagama. Okay. Stayam it is okay. Then Sis Sha. See Sanaha Pitum Sis. I think the form is very wrong actually. Yeah. Sanantarupam, it is not given like that. So I don't know how they give like this in the website. Because Alantacha by the Sutra, it is negated. I'm seeing Kridantaruparandi, the Samskrita Bharati book. Alantacha iti sanaha kittam bhavati adaha guna taryam na bhavati. And it is anit. Anitvat rupam api, as we did here. Sish with sati. This will be the rupa. Many books, many forms are given. And I think this is, we have done only Shattam. Some book, it is Shattam is not done. So we can take this form. Samskrita Bharati Dhaturupa Nandini book, they are Kridantanandini. He has given the form Sish Visha. Sish Vitsa. What is Sish Vitsa? This is Sananta Rupam. Icha, Sananta. So it is Sish Vitsa is a form. So you can see here, this is what we also derived. Sish Vitsati. Therefore, you can take this is correct. Okay. Divadigana, you can take this is correct. What about in other Gana? Let us do that. Divadi Gana, which is Anit. What about other Gana? Other Gana, it is Set. If we take it as a Bhuvadi Gana, it is
Set.
Set. So let us take that Bhuvadi Gana and then see the form.
But with respect to Santa, will it not be Anit Ji?
Even in the website also it's given. For Divadi Gana, it is Anit Pushadi, Sish Visati, as we had done, the form only given. In another one, he has given an optional form. Another Dhatu, Dudadi. Anyway, that is not required. Which I think the website also is correct only. In what we are seeing, he has given the Sish Visati, one form is given. It's okay. Now let us take that the Dhatu to be the Divadi Gana. Yeah, what is the question? What is it you're asking?
No, with respect to Sun, it is Anit, no?
Yeah, Anit. With respect to Sun. No, it is Anit only. Divadi Gana, it is a Dhatu is Anit, not with respect to Sun. Therefore, with respect to Sun also it is Anit only. Dhatu is Anit, Ekachanadata Dhatu, therefore it is Anit. Therefore, no Itagama.
No, my question is, whichever Gana it is, but with respect to Sun, it is Anit means we take it to be Anit always, right?
Again, what is the question?
No, whatever, irrespective of the Gana, since it's given with respect to Sun, it is Anit. So you take only the Anit.
Where is given with respect to Sun?
In your table you have given, no, Ji?
Oh, the table is, yeah. The table is derived from applying all the sutras. Final form, finally it is for Sananta, this is the table. Yeah, so here it is with respect to Sun only. Yes, in this table with respect to Sun. Yes, it is Anit.
So it is irrespective of whatever the Gana, you take the Sun form to be Anit, right?
Supposed to be, but in the Bhuvadi Gana, the Dhatu is given weight. So therefore, their form must be different. So it means that this Dhatu must be there somewhere in the list or some note I must have written somewhere. With we have to see. Gishvida, Adit Dhatus, Akara is with the letter. Say Taranta Dhatavaha. One minute, let us see the Dhatu whether it is there before. Otherwise, I need to add. It is not that probably. That is, it is Bhuvadi Gana. But Bhuvadi Gana, it is here. Say to that. Yeah, it is not given. So Swid is, since it is there in the Bhuvadi Gana, therefore I need to mark here also. Summary. We touch the summary, then the numbers in the count and all will change. So let me just make a note. Summary. So here the Swid Dhatu is Divadi Swid Dhatu, Natu Vadi, and Vadi it is a Set Dhatu. Right? So we have to make like that. 1 minute. Let me check, confirm the form. Nishvida. Yeah, in Vadigana it is Nishvida iti Tukramasti. In Bhuvadigana itself, there are 2 dhatus are there in Gishvida. I think that is what in the website. The website you see. In Divadigana, 2 dhatus are there. Again, there's some confusion, difference of opinion. Gishvida, Divadigana. Not this. Yeah, the Kaumudyam avidyama. I am dhatu siddhanta Kaumudyam na vidyate kintu dhatu pate pradipe patitaha asti. Divadigana is dhatu. And in Vivadigana itself, we have 2 dhatus. You can say Avyakte Shabde and Sneha Mochana Yoho. Here also, in some book it is given Avyakte Shabde, it is Anit. In some book it is given, it is Anit. Here it says State. But it is given Anit in some books. In Madhavya Dhatu Vritti, the form itself is different. Anyway, this Dhatu is a little complicated, leave it. Because the forms are different in Madhavya Dhatu Vritti. In Kshya Tarangini, Tiraswami, it is different. So, you can take this Svidh Dhatu, what I mentioned here in the column, you can take that to be the Dhatu of which Gana? Divadi Gana. You can take that to be Divadi. Okay. Other Gana, we don't know, leave it. Because it is a difference of opinion. So just take the Div Dhatu, the Svidh Dhatu to belong to the Divadi Gana. Other Gana, let us forget, we're not doing it. Whatever it is, other Gana. Because you have to, there are different part of readings are there. And some books, the form itself is given as something, very different. It is given like this. Nishvida. They say like this. So, leave it. Next one is Skandha. I think Skandha will do. Skandha, then Ad. You can try. If it is difficult, we will do in the next class. You can take this 3. Please note here, this Divadi is, this Svidh is something which is special. Different forms are given. But for us, we can take the Divadi, Anit Dhatu, what we are referring to. Gatra Praksharane. Okay. But don't take the other Dhatus. Since there are difference of opinion, it will unnecessarily confuse. Not required that much. Not required. Also in Kridanta Ruparanti, Samskrita Bharati, he has got different opinion. So anyway, so we will do Svidh as it is. Divadi Gana Dhatu, Anit Dhatu. Then other 3 Dhatus, we can take it as a homework and do it. What will the form Skandha? Without doing much, you can try. Skandha would be Skandha. Shar Purvaha Kai it is. One a good example. Shar Purvaha Kai. What will the form? Shar Purvaha Kayaha Shar Purvaha.
Kakara will go by Skoho on the name.
Let us Skandha is it is Anit. So Skandha duplication, everything you do it. What you will have? Aladishesha. Aladishesha, Sakara will go away. Yes, Sakara will go away.
So you get Ka will be there.
Ka will be there.
Yeah.
Ka will be
Then
Adhyasa.
Chuho Kuhu, Chakara
Exactly.
will come.
Chakara. And that will become Chi, Sanyataha.
Sanyataha.
Then Skandha plus San, Sati. And Sati means Sa plus Ti. Okay.
Then
Pratyaya.
Karicha will apply.
Exactly. Therefore, you will have
Takara, so it will be Chiskansati.
Chiskansati.
Sati.
Had will become Had.
Hakara will go by
Hakara.
this thing.
Who goes to who is that? Number. Akara will be replaced by who goes to who by that Jakara. And Abhyasa Charcha will be Jakara. Alpa Prana.
Jakara.
Then it will become Sanyataha G.
G.
Then Jigats. G plus
Dakara.
Then
Dakara.
Karicha, so Jihat Sati.
Maybe Jigat comes from this. Anyway, I don't know. Not that's just joking. That is different. Jigat Sate. Because they excrete anyway. The meaning is so different. Yeah, Jigat is also like that only. Okay. Then Adadatu. This is Ajadege Dvitiyasya. You have to remember. Ajadege Dvitiyasya. Next class we will do it, but still you can mentally try. Dvitiyasya will undergo duplication. Therefore, what will happen?
Okay.
Ad. But Ad is another thing is when Adadatuka Pratyaya follows, Ad will be replaced by like Chakshin will be replaced by Kya. Similarly, this Dhatu, Ad Bhojane eat, which is in 2-4 section, 2-4-58, Adadatuke Pratyaye Pare, 2-4-58, I think. You have seen. Ad will be replaced by Gaslu, I think. 2-4 section, you see. When an Adadatuka, we are doing Sananta, Adadatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, when followed by Adadatuka Pratyaya, changes happening like a Bruvaho, Vachihi, etc. We saw, right? Remember? Aster Buhu, Bruvo, Vachihi,
Aste Buhu, yeah.
Similarly, Gaslu, Kutra Asti, Ada, Gaslu, somewhere it is there. Adadatuke Pratyaya Pare.
Gee, this we'll do again. We'll do it, I thought. No? Next class it's on.
Yeah, here it is. Just showing 56. Ajehe Vyaha Vyaghai Poho. Except Ghai and Up Dhatu, Up Pratyaya. Ajehe will be replaced by Ajehe. This you can see here. This is 56. Not Ajehe, Shramita. Ajehe is Ajidat. We're talking about Ad. Sorry, here it is. Lung Samaho Gaslu. Adagastane Gaslu Adeshavati. Gaslu means you can Gas Dhatu. It is Gas only. You can tell easy. It's not difficult. It is now it's same as Haladi. Dhatu is Gas Dhatu. Gas will become Gas. Right?
Gas, Haladi Seshaha.
Then Hakara will become, you do Abhyasa Charcha. Abhyasa Charcha. By that, Gakara becomes, and Ga is Kavarga. Therefore, it will become G. Yeah, Kugo's to go G. Kugo's to go G.
Will come.
And G will become Abhyasa Charcha G. So G plus Guts plus Sati. Sakara followed by Adadatuka Pratyaya. Sakara will be replaced by Takara. We have seen. Sasya Saha Ardhatuke. Just know the sutra. So you will have Gas Dhatu. That Gas Sakara will be replaced by Takara. Therefore, G, Gat, then
Sati. Jigat Sati.
Jigat Sati. Sasya Saha Ardhatuke. The sutram, what we saw just today only, right? Today I just referred. We have seen that before. Satya Saha Adadatuke, that the Sakara of the Dhatu when followed by Adadatuka Pratyaya will be replaced by Takara. By that sutra, Gas Dhatu Sakara Sistane, Takara Deshavati. Jigat Sati. Okay. So both the Micha, Aditya Micha, Jigatsa.
Jigat Sati. Okay.
You can try these three. Anyway, I have told the form how it comes. You can take it home. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. I don't know how I made this summary also. I really wonder how I created by what reference. But summary is useful.
Yeah, very useful. Yeah, you see
But
only the summary.
I don't know how I did also. I mean, I would have referred something as something I would have done. I forgot. But summary is useful. Seeing the summary, we can easily do it. Okay. It's like a best tool, no, hand tool. And like when you do the science algorithm, we refer, no? Similarly, this is like. Okay. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.